Welcome to this step-by-step journey into the world of website development. In this video, one of our talented students from Leenabot Academy takes us through the exciting process of building a website using HTML and CSS. From creating the structure with HTML to designing the layout with CSS, you'll see how body elements, background images, and color selections come together to bring a web page to life. Let's dive in and get inspired.
Here is the start, duck type HTML, all of that. The title is parallax, and then right then is the style tags. Here is body, comma HTML, height 100 pixels, 100%, margin I put 0, font 15 pixels, and color I put white. I think you can see that clearly, but it's white. And then .bgimg1, .bg, comma .bging2, comma .bging3. That's the three images. So all of them position, relative, opacity 0.65, background attachment fixed, background size covered. Now here is for bgimg1, background image URL, first image, then min height 100%. bgimg2, the background images URL, the second image, min height 400 pixels. And then for bgimg3, background image URL, the third image, and min height 400 pixels. Caption, position absolute, left 0, top 50 pixel percent, width 100%, text align center, color black. And then caption span border, span.border, caption span border, background color white, padding is 18 pixels, font size is 25 pixels, letter spacing is 10 pixels. Here is the H3, letter spacing 5 pixels, text transform uppercase, font 20 pixels, sans color is white. And that's it for the style tag. And the rest here you can see. Here is div class bgimg1, div class caption, span class border, scroll down, then another div with style color gray, background color white, text align center, padding 50 pixel, text align justify. Here H3, style text align center, parallax demo, parallax scrolling is a website. P tag, paragraph tag is parallax scrolling is a website triangle where the background image is moved at a different speed than the foreground content. Then that's all in this div. Then div class bgimg2, then it's the same thing except in the paragraph tag, scroll up and down to get the feel of parallax. And then the bgimg3, scroll up and down to get the feel of parallax. And then bgimg1 again, end of the page. That's it. Bye.
That was an amazing walkthrough of website development, wasn't it? A big shout out to our student for sharing such a detailed and insightful demonstration. If you're ready to start your own web development journey or want to explore more tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Leenabot Academy. Got questions or ideas to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding! Want to learn more on how to develop your own game? Enroll at or send email to admin@leenabot.com.